Welcome to my page. If you're watching on Facebook, this is Tonia Light Ehi. If you're watching on YouTube, Tonia Light TV2. If you're watching on TikTok, Truth Life Story. Please help me watch this video, like and share. This is my breakfast. Here I have lentils. This is lentils. I have kiwi in this place. I've already rinsed it. Here I have toasted bread. I'll be using 4 out of it. 1 2 3 4. In this place I have avocado, fresh tomatoes, onion, and this is chicken. This is full chicken. I just did everything yesterday. I'll be using from it the chicken breast. I will use from the chicken breast. Okay, just watch me. Please let me share this video after watching. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to slice these lentils to smaller sizes. Please, after watching this video, give me thumbs up, okay? If you want to look healthy, you don't want to have weight, you know, you want to lose weight, take this one for your breakfast, okay? I have sliced the tomatoes and avocado already so that we'll be fast, you know, so that we will not waste time, okay? So I've sliced this one now. The next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to add these tomatoes and this is avocado. Just one. Then this onion, I'm going to slice it again. Onion is very good, okay? If you don't like it, you can skip it, but onions is very good. I grease that chicken without salt, without seasoning cube. So the next thing now, this is chicken breast. I'm going to slice it. This is just my breakfast. Wow. And it's very delicious, very nice. You will know you have eaten, but you will not be full. I mean, it will look as if you have not eaten, but you have eaten. Do you understand me? Not that kind of food, when you just eat it, you will be heavy. No, this one is not like that. You're not going to be heavy. You will look light, you know, just like slippers. You will look light like cellophane. So I think that one is okay now. It's enough. Then the next thing is this one. Let me break 3 first. Let's see. I'll pieces it. I'll break it in tiny pieces. I hope you know this bread. Toasted bread. It's very strong. Do you hear that? You may see it very many. You say, is she going to finish this one? Go and try it. Prepare your own. When you finish eating it, you'll be looking for ponderian to eat. You're not ready to lose weight, when you finish taking this breakfast, you'll go and look for something else to eat, because you will feel as if you have not eaten. So don't just see everything like this and say, wow, is this not too much? It's not too much, okay? So we use 4 out of it. Then the remaining thing now, let me bring it. Olive oil, extra veggie. So I'll just mix it together. I think next time we'll use a deeper bowl. If you eat and you see that you are tired of eating or you are satisfied, just cover it and keep it in your fridge. Okay, you can eat it again. So I'm going to add olive oil, extra virgin. Okay, that's what I'm adding now. Just don't let it too much. Make sure it's not too much. Just add it the way you want it. Okay, so that's it. Then I'll mix it again. So my breakfast is ready. I'm going to take it with tea. That's my breakfast. I hope you enjoy watching. I cover this with the blood of Jesus. Jesus, my prayer. Amen. This is #1 healthy breakfast for weight loss. Give it a try. So when I finish eating, I will now take my kiwi. I've already prepared my tea, but I think it's already cold. I use Lipton tea that has ginger and lemon in it. I want to go and warm it so that I can enjoy my food. Thanks for watching my video. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. The name of my YouTube channel is Tonia Light TV 2. Facebook, Tonia Light Ehi. On TikTok, True Life Story. Thanks for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate it. Bye bye.